Welcome to my English channel, simple lessons to help you speak English better.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into essential conversations that every new learner needs to know. Whether you're planning a trip, meeting new people, or just want to feel more confident, this video is for you. We'll practice together, nice and slow, so you can easily follow along and improve your pronunciation. Let's get started on your journey to fluent English. First up, let's master the art of introductions. This is usually the very first conversation you'll have. Imagine you're at a party or a new class. Someone might walk up to you and say, "Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?" You can reply, "Hello, Alex. My name is," and then say your name. A great follow-up question is, "It's nice to meet you. Where are you from?" They might say, "I'm from Canada. And you?" You can then share your home country. For example, "I'm from Brazil." Let's try that again. Listen and repeat. "Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?" "Hello, Alex. My name is Maria. It's nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from?" "I'm from Brazil." Simple, right? Practice this a few times and you'll be introducing yourself like a pro. Now, let's talk about asking for help. This is super important, especially when you're in a new place. Don't be afraid to ask. People are usually happy to help. You can start with a polite phrase like, "Excuse me." For example, if you're lost, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station." Or if you're in a store and can't find something, you can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" Let's practice that. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station." "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" Another useful phrase is, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you please speak more slowly?" This is perfect for when someone is talking too fast. Don't be shy to use it. It shows you are trying hard to understand. Next on our list, ordering food at a restaurant. This is a fun one. When you're ready to order, you can get the waiter's attention by saying, "Excuse me, we're ready to order." When they come to your table, you can start with, "I'd like to have," or "Can I please have?" For example, "I'd like to have the chicken sandwich," or "Can I please have a cheeseburger and a cola?" If you're unsure what to get, you can ask for a recommendation. "What do you recommend?" Or "What's the special for today?" After you finish your meal, you can say, "Can we have the check, please?" Or "The bill, please." Let's practice ordering. Repeat after me. "I'd like to have the chicken sandwich." "What do you recommend?" "Can we have the check, please?" You're doing great. Let's move on to a common situation, shopping. When you walk into a store, a shop assistant might greet you with, "Hello, can I help you?" If you're just looking around, you can say, "I'm just browsing, thank you." If you need help, you can tell them what you're looking for. "Yes, please, I'm looking for a blue t-shirt." If you find something you like, you might want to know the price. You can ask, "How much is this?" Or "How much does this cost?" Maybe you want to try it on. You can ask, "Where are the fitting rooms?" When you're ready to pay, you go to the cashier and they might ask, "How would you like to pay?" You can answer, "By card, please," or "With cash." Let's review those phrases. "I'm just browsing, thank you." "How much is this?" "Where are the fitting rooms?" "By card, please." Making small talk is another key skill. It's the polite and friendly conversation you have with people you don't know well. The weather is a very common topic. You can say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or, "It's so cold today." Another easy topic is asking about someone's day. "How's your day going?" They might reply, "It's going well, thanks. How about you?" You can also talk about weekend plans. For example, on a Friday, you could ask, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?" They might share their plans, and you can share yours too. "I'm planning to go to the movies." Small talk helps you connect with people and practice your English in a low-pressure way. Let's practice. "It's a beautiful day, isn't it? How's your day going? Do you have any plans for the weekend?" Now, let's practice making a phone call. Answering the phone is easy. You can just say, hello. If you are the one making the call, you can say, hello, may I speak to John, please? Or a more casual way is, hi, is John there? If John is there, he can say, this is he, or speaking. If John isn't there, the person might say, I'm sorry, he's not here right now. Can I take a message? You can then leave your message. Yes, please, tell him that Sarah called. Or you can say, no thanks, I'll call back later. Remember to speak clearly on the phone. Let's practice that. Hello, may I speak to John, please? This is he. Yes, please tell him that Sarah called. Transportation is another essential topic. You might need to ask for directions or buy a ticket. To ask where something is, you say, excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Or, how do I get to the museum? When you're buying a ticket, you can say, one ticket to downtown, please, or a round-trip ticket to the airport, please. The person selling the ticket might ask, one-way or round-trip? One-way gets you there. A round-trip ticket gets you there and back. You may also need to ask about the schedule. What time does the next train leave? Let's repeat those. Where is the nearest bus stop? One ticket to downtown, please. What time does the next train leave? These phrases will be incredibly helpful when you're navigating a new city. How about talking about your hobbies and interests? This is a great way to make friends. Someone might ask you, what do you like to do in your free time? You can answer, I like reading books, or I enjoy playing soccer. You can also say, my hobbies are painting and hiking. To keep the conversation going, you should ask them the same question back. What about you? What are your hobbies? This shows you are interested in them too. For example, I really enjoy watching movies. Do you like movies? Yes, I do. What's your favorite kind of movie? This is how you build connections. Let's practice. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy playing soccer. What about you? Let's put it all together in a longer practice conversation. Imagine you meet someone new at a coffee shop. Let's call them Ben. Ben says, hi, is this seat taken? You say, no, it's free. Please have a seat. Ben says, thanks. I'm Ben, by the way. You say, nice to meet you, Ben. And say your name. Ben says, nice to meet you too. Are you from around here? You say, no, I'm from Japan. I'm studying English here. Ben says, that's cool. Your English is very good. You say, thank you. I'm still learning. I enjoy listening to music to practice. Ben says, that's a great way to learn. What kind of music do you like? You say, I like pop music. What about you? See how the conversation flows from one topic to another, from introductions to hobbies. This is what you should aim for. Remember, the key to becoming a confident English speaker is practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every time you speak, you get a little bit better. Try to use these phrases in your daily life. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I am making coffee. I am walking to the park. The more you use the language, the more natural it will feel. You've learned so many useful phrases today, from introducing yourself and asking for help to ordering food and making small talk. You are building a strong foundation for all your future English conversations. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to supercharge your English speaking skills. Are you ready to talk like a native? Let's dive into some essential conversations that you'll use every single day. We'll go through them slowly so you can listen, understand, and practice along with me. Don't be shy, say the words out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Let's start with the basics. First up, greetings and introductions. These are the first words you'll say when you meet someone new. It's super important to make a good first impression. Let's imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. You can start with a simple hello or hi. Then you can say, my name is, and say your name. For example, hello, my name is Alex. After you introduce yourself, it's polite to ask for their name. You can say, what's your name? Let's practice that together. Hello, my name is Alex. What's your name? Now, what if someone asks you first? They might say, hi, what's your name? You would respond, my name is, or more casually, I'm followed by your name. After you've exchanged names, you can say, "It's nice to meet you." The other person will likely say, "Nice to meet you too." So the full conversation might sound like this. "Hi, I'm Sarah." "Hello, Sarah. I'm Ben. It's nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Ben." See? Simple and friendly. Practice this with a friend or even in front of a mirror. It really helps. Next, let's talk about asking for and giving basic information. This is so useful when you're in a new place. A common question you'll hear is, "Where are you from?" To answer, you can say, "I'm from," and then name your country or city. For example, "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from Tokyo." Then you can ask them the same question, "Where are you from?" or "How about you?" Another useful question is asking about someone's job. You can ask, "What do you do?" This is a common way to ask, "What is your job?" The answer would be, "I'm a," followed by your profession. For example, "I'm a teacher," or "I'm a student," or "I'm an engineer."
Welcome to my English channel, simple lessons to help you speak English better.